With the car running, I raised it to off-road height in order to help with jacking. Locate the jacking points according to the owner's manual. I jacked both sides using 3-ton jacks. I also used 3-ton axle stands both sides. It's important to keep the car as level as possible, as the bottom of the filler plug will be used to make sure that you have the correct amount of oil in the car. It's worth chocking all the wheels just for extra safety. Locate the transfer box, filler and drain plugs. A spray of penetrating fluid will help if they are tight. With a HW8 hex bit, loosen the filler plug. It's important to remove the filler plug before removing the drain plug and releasing all the oil. The HW8 hex bit is also used for the drain plug. With a bowl and some paper towels at the ready, I slowly unscrew the drain plug and then allow the oil to flow out. I allow the oil to drain for about an hour. When fully drained, you should have about 1.5 litres of oil. I fit brand new filler and drain plugs and copper washers. Clean up around the threads of the drain plug. Refit drain plug, just finger tight for the moment. I like to use a little bit of PTFE tape on my plugs. According to the Haynes manual, the transfer case capacity is 1.5 litres. Use a large syringe in order to fill the transfer box. I needed to do this 3 times in order to get the full 1.5 litres in to the box. When the transfer box is filled to capacity, you should see oil start to weep from the lower edge of the filler. Replace the filler plug and finger tighten for the moment. According to the Haynes manual, the torque for the drain plug and the filler plug is 22 Newton meters.